if you want to know how to give permissions on Discord, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and click your basically your channel, right? And click edit channels. And you're gonna see right here permissions, right? And you're gonna see the advanced permissions for everyone, or if you want a specific one, you can just go ahead and edit that one out, right? And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here the general channel permissions. From here you can manage who can view the channel, manage the channel, or manage permissions, like allow members to change this channel's permissions. You can just disable it or enable it, right? And you're gonna see right here manage web hooks, allows members to create, edit, or delete web hooks in this channel. And here you're gonna see, of course, the membership permissions. If you want people to create invite or send text messages, right, in this channel, or send messages in threads, or create public threads, create private threads, embed links, attach files, add reactions, use external emoji, and many more. From here you're going to be able to manage the text, the channel, and of course use apps permissions, right? So if you don't want to allow members to use the application commands, you can just disable it. And if you want them to use it, you can just go ahead and hit the check mark. And if you want permission so you can agree or disagree, you can just select that one in the middle, and then hit save changes. And basically now you managing the permissions for this specific channel, right? The same goes for all channel, okay? Same goes for all channels. So you can just close this window and then go to the general right here, right? And then permissions, and the same goes, all right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.